In this video, I'm going to explain how to use the international database site by the United States Census Bureau. And first off, we got to find the demographic indicators. And to do that, just leave everything as is and go over here and start selecting your countries. So in my case, I'm going to look at China. So go ahead and click on China. Now you have the control button. Control button typically found on the bottom left-hand side of your keyboard. Go ahead and push it and hold down on it and don't release it until I tell you to release it. So hold on until you're done clicking your countries. So go ahead and then go down. I'm going to find my next country is Japan and then the two Koreas. And so from there, they should all be highlighted. Now release the control button and go to submit. And then that should open up the demographic overview and the indicators and all of that. So this is also applicable to the migration question as well, in terms of finding the historical and current and projected trends. Next up, for the population pyramid, the best thing to do is go back and hit search. So go back and hit search. So essentially keeps all those countries the same, keeps the year the same. Now go to the select report drop-down menu, click it, go down to the bottom, click population pyramid graph, then hit submit. And you should see now the population pyramid for each of your countries. And at the bottom, if you don't change anything, it'll essentially will also group them all and create a custom region.